Consuming amla juice cures the burning sensation of body, gastritis, and digestive problems. If taken daily before meals, the juice of the fruit can prove to be an excellent tonic for the liver. The powder made out of dry amla fruit, if taken twice daily, purifies the blood. It helps in curing hyperacidity, wounds, and ulcers. It may reduce cholesterol, may improve hemoglobin, and thereby enhances immunity. The oil made out of dry fruits of amla, if massaged on the scalp, acts as a hair tonic, is known to almost everybody. Amla juice with equal quantity of honey improves eyesight, and with bitter gourd juice it may help to control sugar levels. Amla fruits are rich in antioxidants, which reduce the risk of chronic health conditions like heart disease and cancer. It acts as a blood purifier with honey. Amla is the Indian name for gooseberry, which is used in various ways in eating. Amla season is ahead, and you can make the maximum use of this fruit health-wise and in relishing its different taste by using it in making of different recipes. You can make amla chutney with soft coriander and red chili powder. Amla chips can be made by cutting the de-seeded amlas into thin slices. Mix black salt and masalas to your taste to the sliced pieces thoroughly. Keep it in the sun to dry. This season, you can make amla tea with amla and ginger. This will help you health-wise as well as you will cherish the taste of it. You can make different types of pickles with amla, that is gooseberry. The traditional way to make pickle is to steam amla and mix it with salt and spices. But the life of this instant pickle is less compared to the traditional one, which is exposed to the sunlight for months. This pickle you would like to pair with every meal of yours. The other recipe which you would certainly like to go for is a sweeter version, that is murabba of amla. This unique indulgent treat is sure to impress you. This is made by boiling amla balls and cooking it in sugar syrup flavored with cardamom. It gives a sweet alternative to pickles. This recipe is excellent in winter season for its high vitamin C content and healing properties. To make this recipe, roast cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and black gram lentils. Remove the seeds from amlas and cut them into small pieces. Blend them together with amla pieces, black peppercorn, green chilies, ginger, roasted cumin, coriander, and black gram lentils to a thick paste. Add 3 cups of water to it and boil this whole thing on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons sugar to it with little salt to taste. For tempering, heat ghee or butter. Add little of mustard seeds with pinch of hing. Allow to sputter, then add curry leaves over it. It is ready to be served. Please subscribe. Thank you for joining.